Okay, what I have here is a actual dosimeter for measuring sound, and that I had for some industrial hygiene work I did at the Memphis facility. And since it's here at the house and I have the noisy cicadas out back, I thought that I would just go ahead and show you just how loud that these cicadas are singing out there in the backyard. You can see right now in the house with me speaking, it's about 57, 56 decibels, but as I step outside, watch what happens. We've now stepped outside. And you can see we peak at almost 82 decibels. There's 84, 85, 86. You can see we're peaking out right close to 86 decibels. At our manufacturing facility, we would require hearing protection for that. And I noticed earlier today when I was out here grilling on the barbecue, I stepped back into the house and my hearing was actually impaired just a little bit. So about 86, even 87 decibels, which again would require hearing protection. 87 is more than 32, probably 64 times the volume inside the house.